The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, a dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
What are your thoughts on Elon Musk's business ventures, from Tesla to wanting to go into space, digging underground? Do you think he's on a path towards this global takeover, or do you think he's just a man with a lot of ideas?
Elon Musk is Batman. I swear that man is Batman, because I don't know anyone else that comes up with the cool stuff he does, whether it's SpaceX or a self-driving car, or, he's got this company that they make this flamethrower. And you know what? I want one of those flamethrowers, because that can make my life just so much better. You walk into a meeting and somebody say something stupid and you just hit them with the flamethrower like, nah, I wouldn't do that. But honestly, I think that what he's trying to do is he's trying to take maybe $100,000 worth of technology and make it affordable for the common person. Me and you, who can't afford a $300,000 self-driving car. Okay, I'm going to sell it to you for $87,000. And at some point, he's going to make it, I think he's trying to make a truck now that's 50 grand. Okay, I mean, it's brand new. But the thing is, I think he's still got some things he's got to really work on. Like, for example, the technology, because, yeah, you can make a self-driving car, but here's the question. Let's say the car goes out of control or somebody walks in front of the car. What do? Do you run into a building? Do you run that person over? Do you run into another vehicle? I think there's ways to go. SpaceX, I know he wants to be on Mars by 2024. Now, this is a part of me that I love, space exploration. To me, I see what he's trying to do. I see where he's trying to go. But you also got to remember, you got to make some money doing this. So if you're not making any money, he might be the smartest guy in the world, but he's going to be a broke guy trying to do it. So I think once he perfects it and he can get the masses in on it, or he can perfect it where everyone can afford it, I think Elon Musk might be the first trillionaire in history.
I think after we first got to the moon, there were talks of eventually building hotels and houses on it. Do you think that this is an avenue that he can explore once he actually gets to Mars?
I think if he gets to Mars and he wants to start selling property, he needs to call me. I think that's what he needs to do, because Simplify Home Guy could be the very first. I could be the best realtor on Mars. I could be the best realtor on Jupiter. I mean, I think Earth, other people kind of got that locked down already. But, on Mars, yeah, I could be the man, No, honestly, I could see interstellar real estate being a thing probably in the year 3000, 4000, depending on how technology progresses. If we can do it, I think it'd be a great thing. Of course, we got to terraform a planet. We can't just go there and just, live in suits all the time. How are you going to use the bathroom? How are you going to eat? But I would say it'll probably be a process, but can it be a thing where we can live on Mars, where we can live on Pluto, where we can we terraform Venus? I say yes. It's going to be a process of hundreds of thousands of millions of years, but can I see it happening? Yes. Will it happen before we get hit by another asteroid? Who knows? But it can happen.